Okay, here's the solutions to challenge 1. Now, as we said in the teaching video, you could only do this challenge if you're able to actually print the page off and measure the sides. So if you were able to do that, here's what you should have got. Shape A we did together for an example, so we're going to start with shape B, which when I measured it was 5 centimeters for side A and 2 centimeters for side B, which showed me that this side is also 5 and this side is also 2. So that gave me an answer of 5 and 5, which makes 10, 2 and 2, which makes 4. So altogether the perimeter for that shape was 14 centimeters. When I did shape C, I measured that side B was 5 centimeters and side A was 3 centimeters. I know that the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, so I knew that this other side was 5 and the shorter opposite side was 3. And when I added all those up, 5 and 5 and 3 and 3, I got 16. So the perimeter was 16 centimeters. Shape D, side A was 4 and side B was 3. So when I add up double 4, which is 8, and double 3, which is 6, I get 14. So shape D, the perimeter was 14 centimeters. Shape E, the longer side A was 6 centimeters and the shorter side B was 2 centimeters. 6 and 2 make 8. If I double that, it gives me 16. I also know that double 6 is 12 and double 2 is 4. So again, that gives me 16. The perimeter for E was 16 centimeters. Shape F was also 16 centimeters because A and B were both 4 centimeters. So if each side of the shape is 4 centimeters, 4 times 4 is 16. So the perimeter for F again was 16 centimeters.